Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save your current home to your blueprint in Heartopia. So make sure you're in your house, and then you're going to go to blueprints here, which you will unlock once you reach DG level 8. Select import and then select current home, and then you're going to select import and then confirm import. And once you're done confirming, it's going to be saved in your blueprint so you can change your house without worrying that it's gone forever. I don't really want to change my house, so I think I'm going to save it to my blueprint and then I might make another house. Who knows? But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!